Hey you guys, I wanted to come on here really quickly to show you how I achieved this really sweet romantic look for my girls' Easter baskets. Super easy, and I'll show you how I did it. So I went into my backyard and I cut some greenery that we had, and you guys can use anything like citrus leaves or any kind of green leaves, eucalyptus, anything really that you know will last to be out of water for like overnight. So I think I'm going to start off with creating a really pretty kind of like draping look. So what I'll do is I'll kind of just start placing, I'll start arranging different pieces. So I found this piece that's really great because it's kind of like saturated with the leaves in the middle. And then I'm just going to kind of take all of these and place them around. I'm going to place it behind this little grouping. Looks pretty. Then I'm going to take, this is like a wired twine. I'm going to cut a little piece. Definitely cut off more than you think because it will be tagged through, so you can't really see any extra. You can always cut it off. So kind of just like go over everything. And if you can, pull some of the leaves out so the wire's hidden. And then once you kind of like tie it around everything you're holding, make sure it's tight and then twist. There, now it's all tied tight together. Find the center. Find the center of your basket and then just take the ends of the twine. And then twist again. And you can just lay them flat because you'll be filling this with some kind of filler at the bottom, so you don't have to even worry about the little you don't have to worry about the little strings, or you can even cut them if you want. Then once it's in place, kind of just fluff everything up. You can even put like some of the pieces up through here. I think that looks pretty cute. Very whimsical and fun and way better than just a plain old basket.
It's the rainbow! It's the rainbow right there.
Let me see your basket.
Where's the rainbow?
Yeah. I see it.
I like the rainbow. I want to touch it.